Okay, so what to jack for? So what we need to do is look at what we can rank a certain keyword for the launches coming out. So what you want to do is hop over to muncheye.com. I'll leave a link below, and you can then have a look at all the launches, the big launches that are coming up, and all the launches through Jvzoo. They also do ClickBank and also do Warrior Plus. But we're just concentrating on Jvzoo through this course, and you can see next to all the dates here, there's a JVZ there. And you can see all of the products, digital products that have been created and listed with Jvzoo. So I just picked one out a second ago, and it was Simon Warner Page Builder. This is $197 and a 50% commission. So if you click on that, you can see about the vendor, the product and the commission and the affiliate network, and it's Jvzoo. So I hopped over to Google and I put in Simon Warner Page Builder. And you can see here there's no video sitting whatsoever on the first page apart from this one here, which is dated 2013, so it's an old video. So we could easily go out and rank a video at the top or second for this term. Confidently we could do that, no problem whatsoever. So again, this is where we look for our products and we do our research to see what we can rank for. So you want to go through this, you want to open yourself a notepad here and just have a look through these products and click through them all. So this one launches in a few days on the 28th, so it's going to launch in a few days. It's got the JV page there, you can see it's got the front end price, the commission. So if I go over to Google and I put it's called Vidzone 2.0. So if I hop over to Google and I put that in there, you will see that it's probably a lot of videos ranking. So here, Video Zone 2.0 coming, Video Zone 2.0. So it's not too bad, not too noisy. There's 2 videos sitting on the first page there. You could probably have a go at that, and you might be able to sit something up here with our strategies. So that's a good product maybe to go after. But again, you can just work through there, see what product resonates with you, something that you're comfortable promoting for your affiliate channel. Something that you want later on when you come to do the video you can talk about. You just want to go through here, but there's hundreds and hundreds of launches coming, so you can just work your way through all this list and find some. I'd just pick say 3 to 5 of the best that you're happy, you like, a good commission. Look for something that's a decent commission as well. You don't want something at a decent price point. You don't want a $7 product or the $1 trial products. You know, look for something that's worth your while. 197, 97, 497. Maybe up 47s as well. That you could look to promote as well. So that's what we're looking how to rank for. We look in here, we find the keywords, we hop over to Google. It's as simple as that. We type in the keyword, we look at the competition. We do that for now, and we'll move on to the next videos, and I'll see you guys then. Take care.